on the pole. Looks like he's going to be the first one around. Oh, and he hits the pipe at the end of the straightaway. It's going to give Terry a chance to catch back up. Your race leader, Mr. Adams. It's that black and green Losi going over that second tabletop. Second place coming through the Pac-Man turn. That's Terry Walters, followed by Drew. Terry having some issues. Drew's going to catch up. Drew's taking that second place away from Terry Walters. Oh, Drew gets stuck in the pipe. They're both stuck in the pipe. Go ahead and keep going. Oh, Drew skies it over the Great Wall, but gets away with it. Right now, your race leader, he's just running away with it right now. Mr. Adams going through that Pac-Man turn, but Drew's not that far behind. I believe Drew's running a ready-to-run Associated Stadium truck as well. Terry Walters stuck in the pipe up here in the straightaway. He's looking to chase down Drew. And he's got plenty of time to do it. He only got 130 down, 5:30 to go. Plenty of time for Terry to catch up with Drew. Drew has some issues over the Great Wall, but pulls away with it again.
Five minutes left.
And you heard her. We got 2 minutes down, 5 minutes to go. Right now, Mr. Adams, he's pulling away. Oh, on the back stretch. Watch out, Mr. Adams. That's going to let Drew pull away even further. We're pretty spread out. Mr. Adams, he's already putting a lap on the field. Oh, Drew gets stuck after the Great Wall. Going to allow Terry to put a little chip in that lead that he's got. Like Drew's running those T-bone bumpers on that stadium truck, helping him keep it in one piece. Right now we're approaching 3 minutes down, 4 minutes to go. Your race order is Mr. Adams, followed by Drew and Terry. Right now there's a 17-second gap between Drew and Terry. And still plenty of time for Terry to catch up to Drew. Right now your race leader's over. He's on his roof in the single. Oh, Terry gets stuck up in the quad. Drew having issues dropping off the straightaway. And we're at that halfway point. 3:30 down, 3:30 to go, drivers. And we are really spread out right now. Mr. Adams way out front. He's going through the second table right now. Whoa. Drew Moreno in second place. He's going through that Daytona 3-4. And Terry Walters in third, going down that back straightaway. Don't let his age fool you. Mr. Adams has a lot of track experience. We got 4 minutes down, 3 minutes to go, drivers.
3 minutes left.
And oh boy, up next we got the big one. Race number 2, our two-wheel drive stock short course A main. That is 13 drivers are going to be on the track at the same time. That's going to be a record for our off-road track. We have never had that many drivers on the track. It should be pretty hectic. We got 2:30 to go, drivers, 2:30 to go. Right now, Terry moves into second. Caught up to Drew. Drew must have had some issues. Terry taking over that second place position away from Drew. Let's see, we got Drew crossing the start finish line. He's on his roof on the straightaway. Thank you, Marshall's definitely paying attention to what's going on. Drew having issues in the tables, gets away with it again. That is your race leader going down that back straightaway, Mr. Adams. We got 2 minutes to go, 2 minutes to go. Let's see if Drew can catch Terry. close to 1 minute to go, drivers. Mr. Adams out front still. Terry and Drew. And you got the fastest lap on the track would be Mr. Adams of 29.9.
1 minute left.
And we got 30 seconds to go, 30 seconds to go. Mr. Adams coming around for his 13th lap. And we got a pretty spread out race right now. Everybody's pretty much on their own lap. Less than 10. Terry's gonna get around for an extra lap. Clock has expired. When you cross the line, you will be done. Mr. Adams, pole to pole. Your TQ and race winner, Mr. Adams. Nice job. And we're still waiting on the last two here. Still waiting for Terry and Drew. Oh no, it looks like Drew may have popped the ball cup off. A dog one came out. I'm gonna say this race is over. Terry Walters, as soon as you cross the line, you'll be done. Your finishing order is going to be Mr. Adams, followed by Terry and Drew. Get him shut off. Come back out to Marshall. I'm going to need some volunteers. And no kids on the track. No kids on the track for this next race. I need adults only and experienced racers, please. We're going to have a lot of vehicles on the track. Definitely need people to know what's going on. So if you have a chance and you're not actually racing this next one, please come out to Marshall.